Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI, just launched something massive. They are going to pay you $85,000 a year to learn AI. No degree required, no years of experience, just you, Claude, and a mission to change US. This is called Claude Corps, and in this video I am going to break down exactly what it is, who can apply, and then show you step by step how to fill the application form right now. But first, application closed on July 17th. So watch this full video and apply today. So what exactly is Claude Corps? Anthropic just committed $150 million to launch a national fellowship program, one of the biggest AI workforce investments ever made by a private company. They will train 1,000 people on how to use Claude AI professionally and then match you with a non-profit organization across US and pay you a full-time salary to spend 1 year helping that organization use AI to do more good. Think of it like an AI-powered Peace Corps, except you are getting paid $85,000 and building career skills that will follow you for life. Now let me talk about the benefits of Claude Corps Fellowship Program. Number one is $85,000 full-time salary plus benefits. That's not a stipend, that's a real salary. Number two, intensive AI training from Anthropic and CodePath right at the start. You will learn how to use Claude professionally from the people who built it. Number three, 5 hours of ongoing training every single week throughout the year. You are literally getting paid to learn AI while you work. Number four, direct office hours with Anthropic engineers for your technical questions. Accesses that most people pay thousands for. Number five, a CodePath mentor supporting you throughout the fellowship. And number six, an expensive Claude token budget, meaning you get to use Claude at full power, no limits. Honestly, you had paid for a program like this, but instead they are paying you. Okay, so who all can apply for this? The requirements are surprisingly simple. You must be over 18, you need less than 2 years of full-time experience, so this is perfect if you are a fresh graduate or just starting out. You should be comfortable working with Claude and you must be willing to relocate if needed. But don't worry, relocation support is available. That's it. No specific degree, no computer science background, no years of experience. If you are early in career and passionate about AI, you are eligible. Now before I show you how to apply, I want you to hear directly from Michael, the CEO of CodePath, who is one of the key partners running this fellowship. Watch this.
CodePath is teaming up with Anthropic to launch the world's most ambitious AI fellowship. We're calling it Claude Corps. Claude Corps is a 12-month, full-time, fully paid early career fellowship designed to drive transformational change in the social sector while harnessing and developing AI-native skills. This program is designed and run by CodePath and Anthropic. You'll work on improving services that millions of Americans rely on, from food banks to public health centers to legal aid, and more. Claude Corps is built for early career builders, people with under 2 years of full-time work experience. There is no minimum education requirement. If you're in your first year of work or just entering the job market, this was designed with you in mind.
Now let's get into the application. So here we go, step by step. Step 1, go to the Claude Corps website. I will put the link in the description and you will land on the main page. Click apply now for fellows. Step 2, you will see the application form. Start with your basic details like name, email, location. Step 3, it will ask you about your work experience. Remember, under 2 years of full-time experience is required. Step 4, next section is about your comfort with Claude and AI tools. If you have used AI before, mention the specific ways. If not, download Claude today and spend 30 minutes with it before applying. Step 5, you will be asked about your interest in non-profit organization, which causes matter to you. Be genuine here, they are looking for people who actually want to create impact, not just a paycheck. Step 6, relocation preference. Tick yes and mention you are open to relocation support if needed. It increases your chances of placement. Then it is asking for Claude 101 and AI fluency certification. I have attached the links for these courses in the description. You can refer that. Then it will ask some basic questions to test your knowledge and experience. Step 7 will be review everything and double check your email and hit the submit button. That's it, done. So guys, opportunity like this don't come often. $85,000 paid AI training, real world experience, a career defining year. And the deadline for the first cohort is July 17, 2026. So don't wait, just apply. The link is in the description below, and if this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe if you want more AI content like this every week. And comment below, are you applying or not? See you in the next one.